-40 degrees, 100 miles per hour winds, and a cliff edge as your only home. Most would die. He just calls it Tuesday. For 3 days, this mountain goat has not moved, not eaten, not surrendered. His body temperature stays perfect. His thick, double-layered coat, nature's greatest winter jacket. When the storm peaks, he lowers his head and simply waits. On the 4th morning, the storm breaks, and he is still standing. He did not fight the storm, he became it. The mountain goat, nature's ultimate survivor.